Another video from Fast Tech. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the network module, that's the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module on an Xbox One S. We sell this module on our website. You can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. If your Xbox One S is not connecting to Wi-Fi anymore, or if your controllers drop and your controller works fine on other Xboxes, this chip is the culprit. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace that today. You're going to need our Fast Tech Pro toolkit to disassemble your Xbox. We sell this on our website. Links are going to be in the description box. You can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. All right, to start our disassembly, we're going to look at the back of our Xbox. Normally there's a sticker here, but that sticker is already removed because somebody has already opened up this Xbox before we got it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a knife. We're gonna stick it in here. You're gonna remove the adhesive first. There's tape here. We're gonna remove that, and then there's gonna be adhesive around this tab. You can run your blade, you can run your knife through here just to get that off. Then we're gonna stick our knife in here and gently lift up the plate away. As you can see, this one's already cracked here because it has been opened up in the past, so there is a crack here already. All right, now that we've gotten this clip off, then we're gonna run our blade on the side. All right, and then we're just gonna pry it off. There's clips on the side. Just pry them off. Careful with the plastic. This side's come off. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Pry it off, run it down the side. Once this comes off, then this whole piece is just gonna come off. You can just lift it off. And now the bottom cover's off. We're gonna put that to the side. Now, to get to where we're going, we only need to remove the green screws. These are long bolts that hold the top case on. You're gonna need a Torx T10 for this job, which is right here in our toolkit. So we're gonna get our T10, put it on. Then we're gonna remove these long green bolts that hold the case in. Well, once we've got these Torx T10 bolts out, we're gonna lift the console, look at the back here, and we're gonna lift up the sides like that, and then lift up the top, and it's gonna come off like that. Okay. All right, now here is our wireless adapter. It's on the side here. This chip is responsible for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi transmissions. So we're gonna be replacing this chip. If you're having any Wi-Fi issues, like your Wi-Fi list is not showing up, or your controller suddenly drops signal when it works fine with other controllers, this chip is the culprit of the issue. Again, links in the description box. You can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. We're gonna use the Torx T8 bit from our kit, which is right here. We're gonna take that bit out. We're gonna remove these Torx T8 screws. Once these screws are out, you can just lift this connector out. It's gonna come out like so. It's got this connector underneath. And we're gonna grab our new connector and plug it in, just like that. Line it up, push down, and now we're gonna reinstall the screws. Just like that, and now it's ready to go. There's some dust here that we're gonna clean out before we reassemble this thing. We're gonna use an air duster to clean out the vents. We sell this on our website as well. Links in the description box. Now we're gonna start reassembling this Xbox. We're gonna install the top case back on. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna install the front first. So we're gonna stand up the console, put the front on, kind of like a mask. And then at the back, it should line up like this. Both sides should be flush like this, flat. And now we're gonna install the screws that we removed. Now that we got the screws in, we're gonna install the bottom panel back on. So for this as well, the front goes on first, like that. All right, like that, and then line up the back. Like that, make sure it all clips in. The front, you're gonna hear the click in. And we're done, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more Xbox related content. I'll catch you in the next one.